Hi everybody, it's Dr. Lisa again. How you doing? Today is story time. So today's a story about my laundry. A couple of weeks ago, my mom and her friends came into town for the funeral of one of their good friends, unfortunately. And there were things happening that whole weekend. And so her friends were staying with us here at our house. Now, I don't know about you, but my mom's Jamaican and everything's gotta be spotless if company's gonna be coming over. So that means that all the comforters in my house needed to be washed. And I had no intention of staying with the comforters all day in a laundromat, basically watching them spin through however many cycles it took for them to dry completely. So I needed to find a wash and fold or drop-off service or whatever you want to call it. And so I went to my handy dandy phone that you're currently watching me on and asked Google to show me wash and fold near me. Okay? Wash and fold near me, that's all I wanted. So I ended up all the way out in just about Austell washing my laundry, although I live in South Fulton. Not because there's not washing places or laundromats between here and there, obviously there are, but because the Blue Water, hi guys, was the only place that showed up in my search. They had on their website, which it wasn't a fantastic website, but it did what it needed to, which was tell me what they did and how they could serve me when I needed it. And in this case, I needed a wash and fold. I needed to drop off my comforters so that I wouldn't waste an entire day watching 5 comforters dry and wash and dry, obviously. So this story is really about being where your customers need you to be, right? At the time that they need you. And so my question for you is your website, your social media, your digital real estate, all of your places, are those places telling your customers, hey, we're here and we do what you need right when you need it? Because guess what? If Google can't find you, you don't exist. Yes, I drove past several laundromats to get there, but I didn't even look because my goal was not to spend the entire day popping from site to site to figure out who could serve me. That's not my job. That's your job. You tell me that you have what I need when I need it. That's why I go to Google to find it, or Bing or Yahoo or whatever. But the point is that your content, the actual text and images on your site, need to be optimized so that I can find you when I need you, especially if you're a local small business like Blue Water Laundromat, right? So all that to say, make sure that your content is right, that you are available to your customers, and that you're findable. Be findable when your customers need you. All right? That's story time for today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.